Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you love carrying around a water bottle but don't want to have to carry around a tripod, this amazing MagSafe tumbler from Magni is going to be your new best friend.
40 ounces of insulated rose pink perfection is how I would describe this water bottle. It compares to all of the other brands that I have used of water bottles, but has this amazing MagSafe lid. I am so in love with it. I can put my phone on here and just have it be carried around. It is so strong. It keeps your drinks frosty cold. So, whether you want to use the MagSafe to hold your phone while driving or take a couple selfies, this is the perfect companion.
Not only is this tumbler absolutely perfect and beautiful, but the MagSafe on it is so incredible. I don't go anywhere without this tumbler now, and I think you should definitely get one. And that's my point of view.